Good morning, everyone. My name is George Kosch. I'm the CEO of World Profit. Today is, what is today? The 8th of December. Great to see everybody out. December's off to a great start. Like I said, we had a phenomenal November. Sales are good and solid so far for December as we approach the festive season. If not, we're already in it. Um, Lots of new people, all kinds of questions and answers today that we're going to be dealing with. And of course, I've got some people that are working with me one-on-one, meaning just through tech support, not live or anything. I don't do that. I don't have time to do that. But it's easy to do it through our support system because it works. It's great. So welcome everybody. A little bit about myself. We started this company, Sandy Hunter and I, back in 1994. So we've been around for a long, long time. I got out of the military, got out of high school, went right in the military, and went through military college. And after that, since you're still in the military, you owe them. I owed them another 5 years. I did 6 years as a pilot, and my last tour was as an instructor on the jet trainers out in Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. I really enjoyed it, but after 10 years, they had a lot of pilots and they offered us an early retirement package. So after 10 years, I got to get out. I got a year of pay, got a bunch of money. Fantastic. So I was pretty happy about that. Got out, and guess what? We got started on the internet from a kitchen table. It was back then, there was nothing. Nobody even heard about the internet. It wasn't even called that. It was called the World Wide Web. And it had a couple of parts to it. Like there was a way to search it. It was mostly just on your screen, though. There was no browser yet. It was just a terminal. You'd just launch this sort of a dark window, and you'd have to type everything. There was no mouse, you couldn't point to anything. And then shortly after that, we got our browser, and just things just happened. So people came to me and they asked for links and pages and stuff, and we got hooked in with a marketing expert, Jeffrey Lant, in the US, and we went from there. But we learned a lot of things from our mistakes, and these are mistakes that are still happening today and will continue to happen forever. And that is, newbies come online and they've never made any money and they're not sure how to do it. And well, they're in the right place with World Profit. And we were just the same. We came out and we said, here's what we're selling, put it on a page, and come there and put your credit card in and buy it. And that didn't work. It was actually the greatest failure ever. We made a few sales, but it was just nothing compared to generating leads first and then emailing the leads. And that's what we did. We gave them something for free. Our partner was a writer and he had all these reports that were $7 each. And I said to him, could we give away, a couple of those reports? We'll just vary them and I'll post on news groups, right? So we went to these news groups and I posted, get a free article, register here. And oh my goodness, the people came and it was just crazy. They registered and registered. And back then we just had to keep their email on sort of a, like a notepad online, right? We didn't have a way to email them all. We would just email them again and say, thanks for getting the free report. Here it is. But here's also what we're selling. And that worked. We started making sales. Our big mistake, we just thought we would sell stuff. We didn't realize we had to build a list. We had to register people. We had to give things away for free. And that's what we're teaching you here on lesson number 3. Okay. So lesson 3 is going to teach you all of that. I don't need to reteach it right now. Okay. So get into that lesson and read the lesson and do the lesson. You're going to find some videos there. Do those videos. Don't just watch them. Bring them up on your phone. They're all YouTube. Okay, all you have to do to get to YouTube is type in youtube.com with the little slash. And then the little @ symbol we all know, the one that you see in email addresses, a little @. Just go youtube.com/ at World Profit. Bingo, you're there. You can watch all those training videos, everything that you want on that channel. Okay, but you have to do the videos. You have to actually follow along and do them. Okay. So Varn asks about the system issues and things like that and all of that. I'll talk to you about that a little bit later in today's topics. We'll talk about the upgrades and everything. It was pretty phenomenal. So what you're going to find on lesson 3 is all those bonuses we promised you are there. All you have to do is ask for them. We've got them all written down, ready to go. The overview of all of this is just like I said, what we learned. We send out an offer by joining sites, copying ads, and posting ads. And what those ads are that we give you are free giveaway stuff. Okay, those are the ad examples. Every single one of them give people something for registering as an associate. Hopefully that makes sense. Remember, we're here 7 days a week, 365 days a year if you need help. Make sure you get a Gmail account. That's pretty much as mandatory as I can say to you. Extremely important, okay? Because it's much easier to manage your email through Gmail. And if people, and this is good for the monitors to know, if anybody ever says to you, is this real? Does the traffic work? Well, they're here as a result of all of that. They're coming here because what we're doing works, or they wouldn't have found us, right? It's like somebody comes into your store and says, you know, you're selling me this stuff about promotion and all of this thing, and you know, and then you just say to the person, well, how did you find out about us? And they go, yeah, I got an ad. Bingo, it looks like our system works. So if you want to ask about it, that's completely fine, but you're the proof. You're the proof. So the first video that you see under training on the top menu, and it's right here, I could just click on my home button. I'll just turn off the Live Business Center here real quick. Is the first video is here under the Start Here button on the left side. Just look left, you'll see it's a big green button, says Start Here. And that first video here is going to take you through some very important points, like how to set up your commission payouts. It'll teach you about your profile, how to set your profile up. In other words, it'll get your sort of your desk ready for work. Okay, it's going to talk to you about the Live Business Center and the chat area that we have and how you can use that for help for you and for your associates that you bring in. The ad tracker on the top menu, it'll kind of introduce that to you. And the fact that we send out a newsletter every single day to all new associates, out to about, I'd say the first, like the latest 100,000 associates that have signed up, get a newsletter every day. Okay, we send it out to them. A lot of you will get associates that sign up that don't confirm. They, you know, they haven't verified. Like we send out a welcome package to everybody that signs up, and we say, click this link here just to activate. In other words, to see that they're getting the email. And the ones that don't, they're marked, and we send them out reminders. Okay, and we say, hey, you need to get your commission set up. And when they log in, that automatically verifies them. Okay. So today is just going to be about a bunch of questions that we get, and I'm going to answer them. These are questions that might come in through support tickets, could be in our Facebook chat, you know, our work groups and things like that. Okay, but before we start, I want to talk to you about our upgrades. As most of you know, the upgrades didn't quite work out as planned. The upgrades happened and they were great, but they did take a day out of our existence. And that's the first time in 30 years that we were down. And we weren't really, we were down, but it was planned. It just didn't go as well as planned. And we've all seen that with, if you're from Canada, Rogers, we all know about the Rogers thing. That was 2 days down. And we know Google was down, I think about 2 years ago. They went down for a little over a day. I mean, Google email, that was brutal for everybody. Amazon has gone down. All of these things Facebook included, Twitter included, what happens is every few years you must upgrade your networking stuff to make it faster, right? Because everything's faster. So that's what went wrong. They had some problems with just, we're talking about thousands of websites and servers and things like that that had to be done. So we've always apologized for that stuff. The techs did a great job getting everything back online, and I told them so. It's extremely stressful for these people to do this stuff. You can see we got world profit typo. Let me fix that real quick in the code here. World profit. World. That's better, isn't it? I think so. Okay, so are there any questions about that? So while you're all thinking about that, again, everything's up and running. We're very happy, extremely happy. Servers are running great. Our new network is solid, very stable, and we're pretty happy. Where do I access advertising in the member area? Well, what a good question. The number one thing that you have to remember is World Profit has a lot of stuff going on. If I show you the right-hand column here, you can see there's a lot of stuff going on. Okay, we've got a right-hand column, we have a left-hand column, we have a bottom that you don't see often, and then you have your top menu, which you can change by clicking this classic menu button. It'll change it to the one with all the links that you see, and then this one is more for mobile or just a little more modern. Excuse me. So what we've tried to do is put really important stuff on the left side and the top, because naturally we all go to those two menus, right? You always have a top and a left. The right-hand menu I keep hidden most of the time, just because I'm working and I just need more screen, or I like more screen, and I'm on my tablet or my smaller laptop and things like that. To find your advertising, to find all your links, you're going to find a start button here just below it. There's your profile, services, and big time promotion links right here. It says promotion links. You click on that and it's going to give you ad examples all the way down. Like there's all kinds of ad examples and things that you can use. Which one is good? Which one is better? Which one is best? They're all great. Okay, they're all great. You can run any of these ads that you want. To understand how to run these ads, though, you really need to click the Start Here button, scroll down to the second video, and that's going to teach you how to sign up for sites, get all registered, grab those ads, and send them out. Take that as a stepping stone, though, to all of this stuff. It's just trying to teach you a process, that there are hundreds of these sites literally out there that you can join and send ads to. And when you find ones that you like, you might upgrade. Okay, you might say, I want to upgrade on this one, right? Login ads. There's all kinds of advertising out there that if you have it in your budget, you can do. However, that's exactly how to find your promotion links. What are promo codes and where are they? That is a perfect lead into this. So when you go into training and you're going to see top safe lists, for example, a lot of these sites, not these ones in particular, but some sites offer you promotion codes. In other words, they give you a code, just like you go to stores too, and they say, hey, if you register, we'll give you a code and you can use that code for a reduction in price. These codes that you're going to see in sites like this, which I'll show you in the promo code center right here under freebies. And again, if you want this menu up top, just click on the button down here over the save over 60%, just one below it, you'll see. These are promo codes that you can use at these sites for these freebies. Okay, and what they do is they just give you free advertising. You don't have to pay for it. Now, do you jump in here and sign up for every single one of these? No, you don't. Okay, you don't sign up for them all. Find them, sign up for the first 10, grab one at random and sign up for it. 4 Seasons mailer. It's up to you. However many you can handle is all good. You can earn credits in them too by sending out, by clicking on ads and things like that. Okay, so they're just, this is, when you come to World Profit, what we're trying to do is say to you, once you have upgraded to silver or platinum, we want to send you to places that don't charge you for advertising. And promo codes are a great way to get started. Okay, so promotion links, same thing, advertising, promotion. So if you want to run ads and promote your affiliate programs here, these are promotion for anything. Then promotion links, again, to promote us are here. Premium advertising, if you want to purchase advertising, there are all kinds of different options in here. Our best advertising right now are World Profit Prime login ads. These things are the best. They are extremely good for conversions. You can see in my ad manager, I'm up to about halfway through, and these started on October. So you can tell the 5,000 sort of visitors that you get. And I urge you very much to always watch these help videos because they take you through everything. 16th of October, November, December, we're almost at the 2-month point. And I'm just over halfway. So 5,000 are going to take you about 4 months. You can change your ad whenever you want. And I promise you, these do work. These are extremely good. Okay. So can I advertise my own affiliate links or just World Profit? No, World Profit was designed specifically for your other programs. We're teaching you how to advertise. We're teaching you how to run a business online. That's why we gave you your own domain site, your own website. It's your site. You can add, remove, do anything that you want with it. And when you take our advertising systems, you can just put your ads in place of the ones that we taught you to run with. Okay, are there any questions about that? That's an important thing. We get the odd question from somebody that says to us, hey, look, I'm interested in promoting my site, so I don't want to continue. And we like, what? We kind of, what are you talking about, World Profit? All we do is teach you to promote your affiliate programs. That's what we're all about. That's why we've been around for so long. We're just a place that's teaching you to generate multiple streams of income. So that's a big deal. Okay, we want to make sure that you're very clear on that. So you can advertise your own affiliate links within World Profit all you want. Like I said, you can go into these areas, free advertising right here, and load them in. You also get free advertising packages when you sign up for silver or platinum. If you don't know what they are, just fill out a support ticket. Okay, we'll just remind you of them. They're also covered in the Start Here area under that first video. Okay, want to make sure you do all that. How much do I get paid? 20% for silver, 40%, and on what? Pretty much everything that we sell except for FastTrack. FastTrack is something we take 100% and just put it back into advertising. That's why FastTrack works. But pretty much everything that you sell, you can look under your membership services and see all kinds of things that are sold by World Profit. And you can see premium advertising, 20% on selling these, except for, again, FastTrack. But if you sell titanium, $200, you get 20 or 40%. If you upgrade people to silver or platinum, as a silver member, you get 20% every month for every payment. Okay, same with platinum. Platinum, you earn 40% on every payment that comes in from everybody that you sign up. So it's like it grows and grows. That's why people stay with us, because our retention is very high. We're very happy about that. What's the difference between silver and platinum? The best way to do that is to kind of look at this slide right here. You receive the commission I told you about. You also get a larger monthly traffic injection, which is shown down below here. You get it to all 18 sites every month, plus 100 fresh exclusive lead credits. So with our leads, we don't just dump them in to your prospect manager. We let you take them slowly if you want. You take them any speed you want. So if I go into my prospect manager and I click on download leads, it will say to me, how many do you want? And you pick 10. I recommend 10, and then you work with those leads. We also have an automated system called call looping where you can call people automatically. I think they still give you free 15 days to try it out, which is great. The other things that you get the World Profit Graphics Studio. And let me show you that really quick, because this was really cool. Somebody said to me, Quantum Safe List. They said, you guys don't have any promotion banners in the promote area of Quantum Safe List for that say Quantum Safe List. And I said, yeah, you know what? This guy's right. So you know what I did? I went into my graphics studio and I went to the banner creator here and I created these 3 banners in 10 minutes. They're right down here. So he said, I mean, you don't have the graphic on there. So I said, okay, well, here it is here. So it says Quantum Safe List 50. I just made that up based on one of our banners. It took me probably 2 minutes to do that one. And then I did this one here. Quantum Safe List Exchange. So this graphics editor comes with it. It's all done online through Chrome browser or Edge or Firefox. You don't need any special software, and you can create thousands of graphics, all stored in the cloud, all shareable, no fancy ads pop up on them, nothing. You also get our autoresponder, which is an incredible thing. You get all of our stores. We have a ClickBank store plus a custom store builder. Put in your products that you want. JVZoo, Digistore, Share Sales Store. You also get an advanced ad tracker. So there's a lot of benefits. The big one, of course, is the 40%. So we double your commission. If you were to tell me 3 things to focus on, what would they be? Number 1, generate leads, promote. I've said that a zillion times, as most of you know. That is the biggest mistake that people make online in business today. And we have a system set, and they're all lead funnels. And we take care of everything for you. We build the list for you called associates. And this was a good question, FastTrack. Say that you're in FastTrack. We have people in FastTrack. Unreal. It's an advertising co-op that World Profit runs. Let me show you what it looks like here. So you go to advertising, FastTrack. And what happens is we advertise our URLs for you, and we rotate because it's a co-op. But when FastTrack generates associate leads for you, you then get a copy of that lead, put immediately into your prospect manager, and you then have access to that lead to send them your information. Does that make sense? Also, if you go under the ad examples here, and you click on this little red button that says Show Advanced Area 1, you can also have all those FastTrack leads sent 5 programs, up to 5 programs that you're in. All right? So the next thing, the 3 things, number 1, leads. Number 2 is focus on sending them great offers to sign up and join your program. Make sure that your signature file on every email that you send says, here's how you get in touch with me directly, through Skype, through whatever, your YouTube channel. Get a YouTube channel. It's completely free when you have a chance. Don't have to put anything on it yet. Just get the channel. So just Google it. How do I get a YouTube channel? And number 3, let us focus on upgrading your associates to silver. Let the Live Business Center work for you. That way you can focus on number 1, which is always generating more associates. That's all we do is generate leads. Remember, when you go in the member area, there's a lot of stuff in here. And the Live Business Center is there to always assist with that. We even have a help button here that is specifically designed for either silver or platinum members, or when an associate signs up, they get one that's trained for the associate program to try to get them to upgrade. Okay, so these are different. One is about you can get help from it, and the other one is about associates. Okay, so those are the three big things. Joe says, how do I replace the video on number 38? I need a code. That's something for tech support, Joe. Just put that into support. I'll see what I can do. I'm not quite sure. Okay, but I was going to show you the landing page builder. So let's look at landing page builder right here. Okay, we'll go to number 38. So website management, landing page builder. Let's go to 38 and take a look at it, see what it is, see if I remember. Ah, yes. What you want to do is if you need to change the video, you simply scroll down and it will say YouTube video, and you can select run from the gallery or a gallery video or a YouTube video if you want there, and you should be able to go down in here and you will get this code from YouTube. Okay, how do you get the code from YouTube? Well, let's go to my channel and find out. Let's grab my first video, home business training. How do I put that one in there? Let's do it. Watch. Click on share just below the video. It says share. Embed. Copy. Don't think. Don't need to think. No thinking. It's all there. YouTube's thought of all this. Click. And then you should be able to go in here, paste it in there, save it. And let's look at what the result is. There it is. That's the video now. That gets me to the point about the landing page builder. We have literally thousands of landing pages because there's no limit to how many you can make. These are for any opportunity you want. You can, if you're platinum, you can hook it into our the autoresponders to generate leads for that. These can be used. You've got the magic site grabber ones. Unbelievable what you can do with these things. Okay, so you can go through them, find one that you like. You've got one that'll put a drop down on it. The magic site grabber. This is, I had a woman that said to me, I've got my own landing page. How do I bring it into my site? Just use a magic site grabber. Number 28. Works great. You just put the URL in of your page from another site. It'll bring it into your site and frame it, and you're all set. Do you want to drop something down on one, like a lead page? Use this one, lead grabber system. Same thing, it'll just drop a little drop down on it. Oop. Okay, if you get errors, see here's one that old site, probably an old outdated site, but hey, it still has a drop down. Doesn't work anymore, but just gives you an idea of what it looks like. How do I use the AI bots, agents? Where are they? Chat bots are great. If you want a super detailed thing, again, Kristen, for 1 week for that. I get an error for 1 week. Put in a tech support. You shouldn't let these things go for a week. Let them go for a minute. If you have a 404, fill out a support ticket right away. Let us know. Okay. And to Beatrice, yeah, you can promote your own affiliate links. That's what we're trying to teach you to do, is do your own programs. No problem. Okay. AI bots, these things are fabulous. Why? Because they're right here. We can get AI chatbots right here. It's about the fifth one down. World Profit AI chatbots right here. Okay, you can log in and you can set these up. I'm not going to go through these again, but you can see an example here of a chatbot comes up on any page that you want on the internet, anything that you control. Welcome to our AI system. You don't have to say AI. You could just say, hey, it's me. It's Joe. Well, how can I help you? You don't have to say it's AI. Just say it's you. Say, how do I get started? They're very human. You know, it says to get started, World Profit, you could join, what's the URL? There it is. That's simple, right? How do I get started? Can I make money with this? it's just there. It's always there helping you out. Watch the introduction. You'll thank me. Okay, so it says, Beatrice, go to your prospect manager. That's where your list is. That's exactly right. Prospect manager. And you know what? If you need help with things in particular, prospect manager, you can go in the search and say prospect manager. And you can also click the help button down here for the AI and just search prospect manager and it will direct you right to it. Top search results are the ones that we at World Profit have entered for you. The main search results keep going, and then you've got YouTube video searches, which prospect manager is a pretty big deal. So you're gonna see it. You'll see a lot of stuff coming in. Okay. Barton says the graphics and background images in the gallery owned by World Profit. Well, no, they're if you have errors, you have to let us know, Varn. Just fill out a support ticket. They're all our graphics. You can use them wherever you want. However, I would caution you on one thing. Okay, when you go into the graphics creator here, the graphics studio, the one caution that I would offer you is read this here. Allow 15 seconds. And the other big thing is when you bring in a graphic, give it a name up here first. Don't put any spaces in the name. Try not to. Just put a, blah, blah. And when you click the save button, wait. Just wait, because it does take about 15 full seconds. And you'll see it, it'll do something and then it'll wait. And then it's basically going to the cloud, right? Doing its thing. Okay, do I need to contact? No, we send out newsletters every day. What's the difference between associates and exclusive leads? Exclusive leads are just leads. They're put into your prospect manager only. They don't go into they're not associates, but you can send them emails to sign them up as associates. How do you do that? Come right over here. Click on this link that says buy leads. It's on the left-hand menu. It says buy leads right there. You can see I highlighted it for you. Just above the red save 60%. Click on that and you'll see a video here, how to convert these leads for World Profit and how to close these leads for any program. Okay, they're right there for your exclusive leads. Are the leads old? Nope, they're within 30 days. Within 30 days, and they've been phoned. They're phone called. Do you need more information about the leads? Just go here to Lead Power. We get everything from Lead Power. So if you click on these videos, they'll lead you. It's called Lead Power. You can go to that company and ask them all the questions you want about the leads. We've been getting them there for about 15 years. We don't hide that. We just buy them in bulk. So we pass on savings to you folks. Where to promote for the most clicks? Number one, go right here, training, add examples, or sorry, 20 plus traffic streams are broken down into safe lists and exchanges. These are our first lists that we want you to go to. So you can go to this one. These are our most trusted places. Okay, these are number one. We know all the owners. We've dealt with these owners for over a decade. The second place you can go is under add examples. And at the top, it says new associate sources. On the very top menu here, not the very top, the secondary one where it says ads you use to promote, scroll down and it'll say new associate sources. You can click on that. And you can look for different sources like European Safe List. You can highlight it, right click and say go to that link. Some of the sites in here I've never heard of. Okay, I don't know anything about them. So you can go take a look at them. They must be working because leads are coming in. That's what these sites are for. Now, the Google stuff, that's mostly World Profit. That's FastTrack. And I will admit, FastTrack is mostly funded now through YouTube videos that we do and YouTube videos that are done by these people that are called influencers. Okay, we get a lot of FastTrack from them, and they don't want anything in return. What they do is it's a two-way street. It's a win-win. So what they do is this. So if you go into here, for example, and you search YouTube, free classifieds, okay, you will see a ton of these come up, and a lot of them are about world profit. Stop paying for ads, for example. This one's about world profit. Now, what does he get in return? Well, if you go in here, you can even see world profits in here, right there. So I'll just pause it there. We've all seen this. This is world profit. It even says so right up here, world profit classifieds. This guy has 77,000 subscribers. And what does he want in return? Nothing. He's just doing this video because he earns a living showing people how to get advertising online. He gets money from YouTube. So he doesn't say join under my link. He simply says, go there through Google and sign up. So he's one of hundreds of ads that are running that we don't pay for. But it proves my point about just promote, find places to promote. So what I did was I created a classified ad system for all of you. The classified ads bring in leads all the time. They're not all FastTrack. Some of them just come in and they're just, they come in, people get them, and then they quit. Well, those all go to zero now. No sponsor. So if they log in, the monitors get them, which is a good reason to be a monitor, of course. So where do you suggest? Start there. Go to the promo code center, go to YouTube and create some videos. Just create videos about the member area here. You can put this on your video if you want. Have a picture of your head exploding going, wow, I found the greatest place in the world that tells you where they're getting leads. World Profit, here's my member area. I'm in it right now. And on the video, the description, put your link in there, just like I do here. Watch my videos. Watch this. So I go to my videos. Watch this. So here's my video from my bootcamp. Do you see where it says here, the very first line, join our program for free? That's FastTrack. I'm getting FastTrack from that. And every now and then in here, you'll see YouTube come down in here. If you go far enough, I can't read them now. They're going down too quick. There you go, YouTube. Bing, FastTrack. That's from my workshop videos. Do a video about it. There's a video for you. And I know, so, oh yeah, sure, that's a video. It is a video. It is a video. There's a video for you right there. Get ChatGPT to write it up. ChatGPT will write the whole thing for you. It'll give you a sequence to go through. Go right in here with our people. We've got ChatGPT. Go here. Click on your badge. Click on WP ChatGPT. And there's a YouTube specialist in here. He or she, where is she? Where is he? Social media, sales, salesperson. Oh, come on, there's got to be a YouTube expert in here. There's a lot of them. Chemistry teacher, need chemistry help. Off page, YouTube. If you're looking on a page like this that's really long, you can also just right click. You click Control Find and just say YouTube. UT. There you go. Where is YouTube? Where is it? YouTube. It says 1. So it should highlight it for me, I think. No? Where is YouTube? Oh, it's because it's in an iframe. Okay, hang on a minute here. YouTube. I'll find it. I bet you I passed it. Isn't it funny watching me struggle? But you know everything. No, I don't know anything. I go through like you do. Trust me, I go through all this stuff and I'm looking, I get frustrated. Where is it? There's got to be a YouTube person in here. Maybe it's right at the top. Let me see. You know what? You go to a copywriter since I can't find it. There's 2 of them. Let me try this one here. So you can go in here and say, can you help me? Yeah, that's right. Sandy's right. Help me with a YouTube video script. Nathan, Absolutely. To get started, I need some information. So, you just provide information. I have a free source of advertising with my company, and I want to show it off using a screen recorder. And you give me um, 5 points for my YouTube video. And then let him think. And he said, here's some, just, I can't, I just, I wish I could somehow convey to people what you have here if you're a YouTuber. You don't have to show your face. All you have to do is a screen recording. If you want to know about screen recordings, do you want a little image here? It says this image of free advertising. I don't know what it'll do. Let's see what it comes up with. Can sit here all day doing this. There you go. There's your when you go and you have to put pictures up, so you can take some of these pictures here and copy the image, save the image on your computer, and then go to Biz Builders here, click on World Profit Graphics Studio, and you can now make up a cover, a YouTube cover graphic. I think we even have those in here. So just unbelievable what you can do. Social media, Facebook, YouTube, just for your YouTube graphic for your video. When you go into the video editor, it'll say to you, so I want to edit the video, and you can play around here and add thumbnails for it if you want, right? There's a thumbnail. You can upload the thumbnail. I'm not going to upload a thumbnail, obviously, because I don't have one, but you can, right? It says those you can work with all of them for free. Yeah, Joe, all of our AIs are free. I don't know what you mean. Every AI is completely free. They don't charge any money. Where did you find that out? Oops. Where's this the free thing here? Free. These are all free. Yeah, I don't think they apologize either. Yeah, they're all free. So which one are you talking about for free? Why did you change the AI who we can work with free? It's right here. You can work with it free. Any one of them you can work with. Which one are you trying to work with? I guess I don't understand. Okay. Anyways, oh yeah, so Sandy was saying use the social media manager, of course. Yes, but I do, but Nathan cannot seem to deliver. Nathan. I don't know who Nathan is. The AI bots? No, I don't think so. Those are on a special right now. 3 for 1. Yeah, so if you go here and you click on chat AI bots, there's a special deal on right now. 3 bots for the price of 1. And if you've already bought, don't worry, you got 3. I decided to just, it was a hard one for me to say to people, you could use one for one program like World Profit. You can use one for your other program and one for another program. It's a Christmas present. Yeah, go in, have fun. I don't know. Yeah, the guy is used as Nathan. Yeah, sorry, Joe. I can't. I can only tell you that our bots are completely free. These guys, so you can ask them any question that you want. They're there to help. Okay. Where do you suggest I promote? Well, we talked about that. Where is the multi-commission thing? Yeah, that's a good question. Where is it? Always click on the World Profit globe at the top left to get back to here. Okay, or your badge. You can click on your badge, silver or platinum badge, it'll bring you here. And then if you go way over to the right, because these are such used things, the multi-commission system here to the right, click on that, and that'll bring up all the sites. And all you have to do is click on the help video here, and that'll get you going. You see, Sandy Hunter made this one up for me. You see this YouTube video? This is one of those made in our graphic studio. Well, I'm glad, Joe. They're free. I didn't understand what you were asking up here. You said, why did you change the AI who we can work with for free? And I didn't do anything. Unless I've been drinking some of the wrong Kool-Aid. Let me see if I can find my, let me see, I must have misplaced it. I don't know, Joe, it must be Friday. We're all tired. It's just a big week, with all the shutdowns and stuff like that. Okay, that's where you find it, and that's the video. How do I tell you how I want to get paid? Well, number one, click under Biz Builders, commissions right at the top. Or if you're using the other menu, it'll say, yeah, oh, Joe, it's the same group now, just way more. Did you see how many there are? There's like 25 of them. So I just added more. Okay, so here's how you get paid, how we pay you. You pick. Okay. Yeah, Joe, and put in a ticket, but the different group, no, they're the same group. They're just enhanced now. There's more of them. And their faces and their names are just made up. They're just made up. They're fake. They're AI. They're just trained in different areas of expertise. That's all. Next, I want to edit my site. Who doesn't? Who doesn't want to edit their site? Yeah, try another one. Yeah, that's right. Website management. Click home. And again, the help video is really good. It's a long video because there's a lot of stuff in here and it'll help you get set up with that. But always remember, it's a support ticket away. If you have any problems, just fill out a support ticket. If you can manage it, when you go here, what I highly recommend, and this is so much up on my recommendations, is this. When you click contact support, you will see it's called Light Shot, and it will help you to get set up with an ability to capture your screen for me as either an image or a video and send it to me using that. It's just a URL, so you just paste the URL. Here is my video of the problem. Try to describe the problem for me, and you put the video link that you generate from Lightshot or the image. And then if there's an error, make sure you put that down in here, the URL. It could be where you're in the member area, if it's a payment issue, or you can browse your computer and send me an image that way. But I prefer this, use Lightshot. It's much easier. It just puts it on the internet. Okay. Our Christmas specials are incredible. We want you to upgrade to platinum. Make no mistake. Interested? Contact support for a quote. Snagit's great, Varn, but it's not free. You have to pay for it. So I told people, just use Lightshot. And I did a personal video here for you to help you with Lightshot right there. Just pops up, doesn't even take you out of support. Okay? And there you go. It just costs money. Snagit is more for YouTube. Like when I do a YouTube video, I use Snagit. It's on my other computer right now working, recording this, what we're doing. All right. So that's what I do. It's not that expensive. No, it's pretty cheap. It's a good deal. Are there any other questions? If not, I'm going to sign off and wish everybody a fantastic weekend. I see a few people still typing on my phone, so I'll give you guys a second. If you have any questions or anything, or if you're saying thank you, that's fine too. What if you have your own website? Can I get someone to take a look at it? Yeah, fill out a support ticket. Let me know what your site is. I'm happy to take a look. Okay, Beatrice? Okay, thanks everyone. Everyone have a great weekend. Christmas is coming. Like I said, 3-for-1 chatbots. How can you go wrong? Okay, thanks a lot.